Alright guys, what's up? So a very important news actually just came in from Amazon, and I wanted to kind of reveal this to you, and I believe people are just trying to catch up with this information and hearing this for the very first time. So if you're watching this for the very first time, and if you are hearing this for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to the Republic of Sellers channel so that you are aware about everything that is happening with Amazon FBA and the private label universe, and you get the latest and the best information. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And alright, so getting in the video, Amazon recently just notified, and I first received this message from my freight forwarder. And like I keep saying, that you must always work with super amazing freight forwarders who are always there for you and who kind of keep their first foot forward, and they're always updated with the latest and the best information about shipments. So if you want to get connected with them, I can get you connected with my freight forwarder. All right. So I was just like having a conversation with them this morning, just a couple of hours ago, and I was discussing, with them that I needed a temporary quotation for the shipment that I'm trying to plan, or the fulfillment order that I'm trying to plan. And that is when my agent came back to me. Her name is Rebecca, and she kind of went ahead and sent me the screenshots for this. And then one of the group members in the group, Vijay, also went ahead and shared the link with me for this exact issue, which is something that I was trying to find out myself. So Amazon is temporarily prioritizing products coming into their fulfillment centers. This means that you cannot send everything that you are trying to send to Amazon anymore. You cannot even create fulfillment orders. So let's not get panicked after reading this. Let's actually go over this email from Amazon and this forum post by Amazon line by line. So temporarily prioritizing products coming into our fulfillment centers. We are closely monitoring the developments of COVID-19 and its impact on our customers, selling partners, and employees. We are seeing increased online shopping as a result of some products such as household staples and medical supplies are out of stock. With this in mind, we are temporarily prioritizing household staples, medical supplies, and other high demand products coming into our fulfillment centers so that we can more quickly receive, restock, and ship these products to customers. So as we always know, and as Amazon always kind of puts it clear in front of us, is that Amazon always puts their customers at a pedestal. So that is what again, like, they're trying to do with this entire COVID-19 issue in the United States. And every business and every company is trying to take measures to help their customers. So Amazon is definitely not going to stay behind in that. So for products for products other than these, we have temporarily disabled shipment creation. We are taking a similar approach with retail vendors. So basically, you cannot go ahead and create shipments for anything that falls outside certain categories. Okay, this will be in effect today through April 5, 2020. Okay, so this is not a very short time. It's about close to 3 weeks of time for which Amazon has levied this rule across their warehouses. So it's nothing to panic. That is something that I also want to give away from this video, is that you should not panic. Okay, this is a very normal measure that any good company would take to help their customers out, right? So this is not a thing to panic. Don't drop your guns. Don't stop researching your products. Don't stop chasing your dreams. Don't stop building your private label business. Okay, you might just face a bit of a delay, but things are going to become normal as every country is trying their best to eradicate this COVID-19 issue completely. So let's keep reading this. So basically, they should have an update by April 5. That's what this statement means. And then they have some frequently asked questions. I will also drop the link for this particular post below in the comments so that you can check it out yourself. Okay, so basically what Amazon is telling you is that if your product falls in any of these categories, which is baby products, health and household, beauty and personal care, grocery, industrial and scientific, pet supplies, okay, listing products in an So if your products fall under any of these categories, you can go ahead and create your shipping plans for those particular listings, and you can go ahead and send products to Amazon. You can continue to send your products to Amazon so that they can, fulfill their orders from their customers. So that is a very critical thing that is happening. But beware, okay, beware that you don't go ahead and list, or at least like try to change your category of your product just to get your shipment in. Okay, don't do that. Your account can get suspended for that particular move. Okay, this is going to be considered like a crime in the Amazon's universe. So don't go ahead and do that. Don't panic. Things will be fine in a couple of weeks time. Okay, is Amazon taking these? So there are certain other questions here. And shipments created, so if your shipment, by the way, if your shipment is created before the 17th of March, you can still go ahead and move forward with your shipment. You can just ship them out, and if it's about to reach somewhere even before 5th of April, they will be received. Okay, that is what Amazon is trying to tell you. Amazon is not accepting any reclassification requests. So for example, if you think that your product basically falls in any one of these categories, but it is not categorized in any one of these categories, right now you cannot reclassify them. Maybe you can reclassify your products after the 5th of April, but that is not certain. But for now, you cannot do that because Amazon is basically not going to handle those reclassification requests at all. So that is what they have clearly stated here, that we are not going to pay attention or give any effort or put any effort to reclassify any of your products or the products on the catalog as a whole. Okay, and they have questions about what happens to your inventory performance index as well. They're still looking forward to a solution towards that. And let's say this is a very critical question here, that what is going to happen to my business if I can't replenish my products. So Amazon clearly kind of takes their usual stand over here. They are basically telling you guys, and they're telling us that this is a problem, we have to handle it, and you have to take the hit for it. Okay, that is what they're trying to tell you. Okay, they have also basically decided to they're opening 100,000 new full and part-time positions for their fulfillment centers to handle the excessive orders that they are getting for these specific categories. Okay, so but there's no reason to panic, guys. There's no reason to panic at all. That is because Amazon is just doing this for a momentary amount of time. Everything will be normal as soon as the COVID-19 issue is handled by the country. So do not panic. Okay, like I am in the process of, like I was and I am in the process of creating a new batch of my products and ordering new inventory from my factory. I'm still going to go ahead and do that. Okay, because anyways I'll be spending about 30 days in the production time itself. So for me, this news is really not going to make any difference in my business, at least as of now, unless they kind of extend the date. In that scenario also, there are many ways you can find solutions to still continue to sell your products through Amazon. Okay, so don't worry about it. Continue your business. Don't be demotivated at all. Okay, this is something that happens. This wasn't expected, but this is happening, and you just have to find your way out of it and find your way through it and deal with it. Okay, that is what we entrepreneurs are built for. Okay, we are built for finding solutions no matter what. So don't panic. If you want, check out the link. I will be dropping the link for this post as well. I believe you will be required to sign into Seller Central to view this, but I will also post the screenshots if you want, and you can check out those screenshots as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for this. Don't forget to like this video for the information that we are trying to bring you as Republic of Sellers, as a community. And don't forget to subscribe to the Republic of Sellers YouTube channel for the latest update, and as soon as there is an update for this, I will get back to you and update you guys as well. So don't forget to subscribe.